In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your financial year-end on Xero. Navigating the closing of a financial year can be quite the task for any business, and ensuring your accounting software is up to date is crucial for a seamless transition. Today, let's walk through how to update your financial year-end date in Xero, a leading online accounting software. Firstly, head over to Xero's website. It's where all the magic begins. Xero is designed to be user-friendly, and navigating through its interface is quite straightforward. On the top right corner of the home page, you'll find the login button. Clicking on this will take you a step closer to adjusting your financial settings. Once you click on login, you are prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your registered email and password associated with your Xero account. These credentials are your keys to the kingdom, so ensure you're entering the correct details. After entering your email and password, click on the login button to access your dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage and oversee your entire financial spectrum in one place. Upon accessing your dashboard, navigate to the Accounting tab. This section of Xero is essentially the backbone of your financial management, providing you with access to various financial features and settings. In the Accounting section, you'll need to click on Advanced. The Advanced option dives deeper into the more intricate settings of your account, allowing you to fine-tune your financial processes. Following that, select Financial Settings. This is where you can make fundamental changes to how your financial data is structured, including the all-important fiscal year-end date. Now it's time to adjust the financial year-end to the relevant date that corresponds with your business's reporting cycle. This step is crucial for businesses whose fiscal year doesn't align with the calendar year, as it affects how financial reports are generated and how tax liabilities are calculated. After you've selected the new date for your financial year end, remember to click on Save. This action ensures that all the changes you've made are updated and applied to your account. And just like that, you've successfully updated your financial year-end in Xero. It's a simple process, but one that has a significant impact on your business's financial reporting and compliance. Now, a couple of tips to keep in mind. It's always a good idea to double check the new financial year-end date to ensure accuracy. An incorrect date can lead to potential issues when it comes to financial reporting or audits. Moreover, if you're making this change close to your year-end, ensure all your financial transactions for the year are up to date. This includes invoicing, bills, and bank reconciliation. Having everything in order makes the transition to a new fiscal year much smoother. Today's tutorial aimed to demystify the process of changing your financial year-end date on Xero. By following these steps, you're not only ensuring compliance with financial reporting standards, but also tailoring the software to best fit the unique needs of your business. Remember, managing your business finances efficiently is key to your success. Tools like Xero empower you to have hands-on control over your financial data, giving you the insights you need to make informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on making the most out of your accounting software and streamlining your business processes.